Over these next few minutes, I invite you to take some deep breaths. Take some time to truly relax and care for yourself. The situation you are walking through is a very difficult one. So, of course, you feel inner discomfort. And of course, you feel a wide range of emotions flowing through you. In this guided visualization, I'm going to invite you to relax, to open your mind to new perspectives, to open your heart, to pay attention to the inner wisdom that you have that can guide you through walking in this difficult circumstance. You can find a way to be well in the midst of this challenge. So let's begin by tuning in and growing our self-awareness. How are you feeling in the midst of this situation? Put any self-judgment aside. Listen to your spirit, open to allowing yourself to be honest and to acknowledge any of the intense emotions that you may be experiencing. In this self-awareness, we begin to tune in to the inner messages, to emotions that have deep wisdom. This then allows us to be kind to ourselves, to embrace ourselves in self-compassion. Now imagine with me that rather than feeling like you need to run from those emotions or push those emotions down, that you actually begin to meet yourself with the voice of self-compassion. If you had a dear friend who was walking through a similar situation, what would you be saying to that friend to encourage and support them in this time? Take a moment, visualize yourself having that conversation with your friend. What words of wisdom would you offer them? How might you advise and comfort them in their challenge? Now, imagine if you took those words of loving kindness that you offered your friend, and you began now, in this moment, to turn those words to yourself. How would it feel during this time if you were as kind to yourself as you so often are to others? Take a moment and allow yourself to feel compassion. Now, with your body full of self-compassion, imagine if you began to give yourself permission to reclaim more of your wellness during this time. To take steps of action, small baby steps throughout this week and next week and the following week to prioritize taking care of yourself. What are those next few things that you know you need in this time? Those acts of self-care that will help sustain you in the discomfort of this situation. Pay attention to your inner wisdom. You know what you need. Where do these small acts of self-care fit into your schedule? What might you need to take off your schedule to allow yourself the space and time to increase your care for yourself? Imagine yourself right now going to your calendar and designing an empowered, healthy week ahead. Put small blocks on your calendar. Take time to honor yourself, to prioritize your well-being. How would it feel to actually create a schedule where you cared for you? And now take a moment and notice, what support do you need from your social network? Who are the friends, coworkers, and family members that would be helpful for you to connect with during this challenge? Let a few of these names come to mind. Now visualize yourself reaching out, having a chat, sharing a bit about what is on your heart and mind, and finding the encouragement and support you need from the people in your life. And if you know that you need more intensive support, consider what might that be for you during this time. Is it a counselor, a therapist, a coach, a trusted member in your spiritual community that you need to reach out to? You have the power and the courage to begin caring for yourself, being aware of how you feel, noticing what will help you, putting it on your calendar, finally prioritizing your own well-being. Take a few deep breaths now. And now give yourself permission to finally take care of you.